Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. So today it's going to be a what I eat in a day on Omad. So I like to start my morning with some apple cider vinegar and some water. Now it's about 12, so I'm going to make like a quinoa, grilled chicken, and veggie plate. So I'm going to start by seasoning my chicken. I'm going to use some garlic, some pink Himalayan salt, some pepper, and also some buttery steakhouse seasoning. We get this seasoning from Costco and it's so good. It goes good on meat and potatoes and just everything. And then I'm also gonna use some liquid aminos, and I'm gonna make sure that the chicken is well coated with all the seasoning and everything like that. And now I'm gonna spray my grill pan and I'm gonna put my chicken on there. This is just one really thick chicken breast, and I just cut it into two to make it thinner and to make it easier to cook. I also put my quinoa on the stove. And now I'm gonna make a smoothie to go with my meal. So I'm gonna make a green smoothie with some kale, some spinach, one green apple, a few pineapple slices, and then I'm also gonna add in a banana. And then I'm also gonna add in some fresh celery, carrots, and cucumber juice that I made the night before. And it's really good. I also added some lemon in that juice as well. And a few ice cubes just to make it cold, of course. I'm gonna use my NutriBullets, and I'm struggling a little bit, but yeah, this smoothie is really good. It's really good, and of course I have to taste it to see if it tastes good, which it does. It was pretty good. And then I'm gonna just put it in this mason jar, and I'm gonna add the leftover juice because it's only a little bit. I didn't plan on it, but I said I might as well. It's only a little bit left, so I just added that into the smoothie. For my veggies today, I'm going to use this veggie stir fry from Costco, and I love it because it has a lot of the good ones. It has like snap peas, broccoli, regular green beans, has some onions, mushrooms, carrots, what else? Also red bell pepper. So I'm going to make some of that. This is what the chicken breast is looking like, and I'm just going to give those veggies a stir and cover it because they're frozen, so give them some time to cook. And this is what the quinoa is looking like. This quinoa is done. So I cooked 1 cup of quinoa with 2 cups of rice, or 2 cups of rice. 1 cup of quinoa with 2 cups of water. Alrighty, I just added my liquid aminos and we're gonna give that a stir. The liquid aminos is very salty, so I don't add that much. And that's pretty much all you need on your veggies. If you wanted to add some like garlic, you could, but it's pretty good just like that. So now I'm gonna plate it up. I'm gonna use 1 cup of quinoa. I'm using a half a cup. I don't know where my other 1 cup was, but I have 1 cup of quinoa there as like the base. And now I'm gonna add my grilled chicken. That grilled chicken looks so good. It came out really, really good too. I love that grill pan that we have inside. We got that from Bed Bath & Beyond. And then I'm gonna put in my veggies. I'm just gonna load up the plate with veggies. Just completely overload. I could have put my veggies like in a separate bowl or something, but I kind of wanted it all to be together. Now lastly, I'm just gonna add a little bit more liquid aminos on top. And that's it. Here's my green smoothie, which is so good. And then the quinoa, chicken, and veggie plate. And that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.